So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. So let's begin the video. So first of all, in the bottom right corner, you can see a pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon and then go to new channel. Here enter the channel name and then enter channel description. Here if you want to add a profile picture of your channel, you can add it or you can also add it later after creating the channel. So I'm skipping it for now. Then click on the right icon. Now here you have to choose the channel type. If you want to keep the channel public, you have to give it a username like this. I have given YouTube. As you can see, it has already been taken. So let's enter some random number. And here you can see it is available. And if you want to keep as a private channel, then choose on private channel. Then click on right icon. Here you can add people to your channel by searching them and click on forward arrow icon. You can also add them later on too after creating the channel. Now let's go to some channel settings. Here click on the name of the channel and go to the channel settings. Here you can change the channel type, you can set photo, you can change the description, you can also change various types of option. You can see you can also change its appearances like wallpaper and its colors. You can also check for who are the admins. You can also check about subscribers and change the settings. And you can also go to the invite link to share your invite link. So that's how you can create a Telegram channel. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.